Top news headlines. Lamjingba Group's eco-housing scheme provides houses at affordable price. Manipur girl rescued from Delhi brought back. Tribal body calls 24 hours highway shut down from July 23. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. The cost of living is sky high these days, and it needs a huge amount of money to build a house, which is an impossible task for many lower middle class families. Considering this, Lamjingba Group has come up with an eco-housing scheme that aims to provide houses at affordable price to solve the issue. Here's a report on this.
Isadagi kwa putuoga saba matamda sigi changiba material jingjiga aduga lamjingbada thada isga kashu kaidongda changdamna badadi yaroiba aduna sumaina khoina sum thasdaba dagi paisa leijaraga saraga su matam kaithokpa adagi matam sangdaba kashu yumamagi saba matamda changiba matam se adugi matik changidana adugumba kemta problem lehendabida pulap thadaraga wapamta lehendabida yamna ngapumumda sumaina loisanbiba se thafadabida adugi matik nungaiba phawe
hadadi yam wana base no yudana khotana yam wana lerambado hauti lamjingbaga khosana udagi yamna nungaina leire hada
do sumaina paisa je puthokpa ngamdabanina khoidadi lairabanina adum akhoina di kanai na khaleba mi atopana di khangdre ko.
Shelter is one of the basic needs of every living beings, as it commonly said that home sweet home. However, with the ever-increasing price of raw materials, building a proper house is very expensive at present. As such, it is a big challenge to many of the lower-income groups in the state. On a good note, Lamjingba Infra has currently taken up a project for constructing low-cost houses, and under this, many have benefited so far.
The Moina, some young and all paying some bit like Huyum, Mapung Panaba, Wallapaka, Gigana, Huinas Jinjaga the Bodo. Had you Moidagi, Moi, my Katie Harabri, no Moina, the Minato Bibodo. Yam Nungai.
Yamna Nungaiba, Mikuba and Habi, I could later light of a Mayam singing the Moctadi. I demand option Mayama Piraga, Yumzima Mapu or Janabagi Lambi, Mayama Piri, Hadi Lambi sing to that. I see the Imlake Giming Tundraba. Mui kya dinga sidi lamjingbagi housing scheme sida thengnadana yum sabagi nungaiba adai mapu gi awaba lehendaba adu makhalgi asugumba yum masi khogi lebang miyamna phangmu matamno yamna nungai miku ma soidana frangani khal
adu ai yamna harawan bagi ai di kapdingi yumda ai mangda pok mangunde smaina sagani haiba wakhanda khalude mangda su adu aina leirak baji nungwana leire I Padan Laina Pasado, later Vanina Samana Saraga, Yumda Harakani Habiwakan Kalu, the Saronas Habibas 80, Nahara.
Tazaru the Manglanjing a city, Mompon Halle, and Yana Nungai, Smana, be about amount Amanda Yum Legitaba, me Karagidi, Smana, Shambis Habirak Paze, Lamjimabo in a young Tagatsar.
In this regard, Supervisor of Lamjingba Infra, T.H. James told TomTV that the beneficiary only needs to bear the expenses of the basic foundations of the house. The remaining job will be done by Lamjingba Infra. He added, it usually takes around 15 days to complete the construction work.
Sabadagi hongna only customer only putopi do mana yumpam dukatang aduga magi foundation habadi mana foundation dudi akoina maduda include tawdre magi yumpam dugi awang modudi my customers indugi apamagi matung ille aduga akoina everything labor dagi adagi labor sing dugi sana thaknabadagi every even yopi wo akoi customer da puthonde akoi gi everything material da yum sabada changiba material khuding akoi lamjing bana
Certificates have also been handed over to every house owners after completions of the houses on behalf of Lamjingba Infra. So far, more than 40 individuals have been benefited under the project. An estimate cost of rupees 1.50 lakhs is needed to construct a house under the project. That includes labor charges and raw materials.
Aduda akoina pizarriba facilities na every hobudagina loibo pot chai amadi degi mystery labor amadi mogi chana thaknaba adu akoina loina supply tawjagani aduga hojizik tawragaju akoina sajaribani aduga masida ban blockade laidana maman hinkalakpa adagi pochai phangdaba sigumbugi issue ji akoina solve tawnabagi damak adugi pochida akoina sangjanjarapani hoji akoi successfully mai pangna chathaba hojare aduga makha tabadasu akoi speed yam thuna akoi around akoina hoji powda labor amadi mystery akoina hire tawjari je IT maina hire tawjare aduga team je akoina team wise semaga mafam for example Chuchampura hore Kakchingda hore adagi Haingang lomda Andro Thobal ayamba akoi loinamak yang popi somda akoi loimak yum saba already hojare aduga mayamne yengnabai damakta akoi mayamne thoidon dawna khangnaba nongpok sanjemda leiba lengai village haba du akoi sample model am saraga thamjarabani aduna akon ahan gi wani akoi na hana booking tawkhibra customer sing na yum saba jigmaktu nongmada di pullap lesson ba yadabani na adu magi serial dugi matungina akoi na one by one call tawraga magi tanabam thokpa adigi magi tawum tokpa formalities me ama adu tawnabagi dama hoji akoi adugi process adugi procedure da hoji chathajari.
This initiative of Lamjingba Group will help many poor families and further generations in the long run, and the society ought to extend their support to such noble cause.
A 21 years old Kongbrai Lapam Solika Devi of Kesampat Kangabam Lekai, Imphal, who had gone missing since 12th of this month, was found by a team of Manipur police personnel in Delhi yesterday. Saulika, daughter of K. Somarendra, was found staying in a hotel located at Paharganj. He arrived at Imphal International Airport this afternoon. According to police sources, the girl went missing from Manipur University campus quarter Type 4 on July 12th morning. After the reported missing, a case was filed at Singzamai police. Since then, a police team started investigation into the missing case. However, after a tip of a team of Singzamai police along with Delhi police rescue the girl from the said hostel.
Singzamai Thana sida handak marak chakharasu missing report chakara toire handak report ama lakpa that 14 sida 12 ta report ama lakpa missing report ama aduga mari lenana koina inquiry tor matung thigala matungda hariba nupi macha mangkhiba si Delhi ki mafam da leire haba pawng phangdagi akoina location je track tor matungda akoi Delhi yausalu bane that 14 da mafam ayam kothi thira matungda akoina mafam je Pargans area sida leire haba pawng phangdagi Pargans su sawni koi chaluraga matungda numit mari ni muki thira matungda hariba nupi macha se koi phangjabani phangi mafam na koi kenogi Pargans ta leiba koi nawar gali haina lei adugi manungda JOT hotel adagi koi angang nupi macha koi kanmangam jabani.
It may be mentioned that a team of Singzamai police under the supervision of officer in charge, Sub-Inspector Laishram Krites, in a separate incident rescued a mother-daughter duo on June 28 last from Haryana after they had gone missing on June 25. All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur ATR-PFM has called a 24-hour shutdown on the national highways connecting the state beginning midnight of July 23. As per sources, the strike has been called by the forum in protest against the failure of the concerned government department in fulfilling their demand for cancellation of an order appointing a non-tribal as director in Tribal Affairs and Hills Department, besides the demand for transfer of LDC of TAN Hills, MD Rahmuddin Khan. After hectic search and rescue operation, one body was recovered from the Imphal River this morning by a local man named Asatullah of Urup. It may be mentioned that a Tata DI vehicle plunged into the Imphal River after falling off Lilong Bridge on Imphal Mori Road on July 17 around 11 p.m. Search for 3 people on board the vehicle has been carrying on since then. The vehicle was fished out from the river yesterday. Vice President of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, Lanin Hirom submitted a 10-point charter of demands for the welfare of specially challenged individuals to MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan in Delhi. The charter of demands included framing of state disabilities policy, implementation of 4% reservation in recruitment of government departments under Section 33, special recruitment drive for clearing up the backlog of vacancies for persons with disabilities, all government departments to comply with various orders passed by the state government with respect to employment and recruitment. The state government to spread public awareness campaign about the recruitment drive. Manipur Secretariat Services Association has decided in its meeting held today to launch a strike against the improper implementation of 7P. Let's take a short break, but coming up, AMCO will organize 22nd Manipur Integrity Day 2019. Do stay tuned for more.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to 4th year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singgi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subna taki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 600-90-62261 Natraga 87-940-26277.
Welcome back after a short break. All Manipur United Clubs Organization AMUCO will organize the 22nd Manipur Integrity Day 2019. Speaking to media at AMUCO office at Kwakaitel, Imphal, organization President P.H. Devan stated that the day will commemorate the public march of August 4, 1997, one of the biggest marches in Asia, which was taken out to protect the integrity of Manipur. He also urged the public to participate in the function.
August ki tang marida chatkiba adumlaba Manipur gi khwadigi hena chawba aduga Asia gi manungda su khwadigi hena chawba adugumba khongchat amakhakni haina ngasi pawba launariba adumba August marigi khongchat amasung miyangi mifam aduna lawkiba wafam sing adu akhoina sahi khudingi leptana hairiba numit adugi aduma khongchat amasung mifam adubu ningchingbo oina Manipur Integrity Day haina thoram masi pangthok lai asigumba akhoi Integrity Day gi thoram masi handaki chahi asida chahi kungani thoi mapung phagadaba adugumba amakhang thoram amakhang.
PH Devan also appealed for an end to politics of favoring one community over others. The government of India has been driving a wedge among the ethnic groups in Manipur for a long time, he alleged. Devan said it is time that we all together united as one. Preserving the unique tradition and cultures of the 36 tribes in Manipur will be the greatest gift to the future generation, he said.
Hurup Kanglup akhoi kunthraga taru muksina Manipur sabani. Manipur haibase maitai khaktagi nate. Manipur haibase Naga gi nate, Kuki gi nate, pumnamak sigi apunba Kanglup kunthraga taru ki Manipur ni. Aruna sigumba apunba gi adum laba lamdam ama oiribase kanagumba furup amagi interesta Kanglup amagi interesta hairiba lammase thugaina na honarakpa thausil kaya ama mapangi amasung manungi khut ani changaganda ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩ.
Two dreaded NACN leaders were arrested in a joint operation carried out by Assam Rifles and Jirigat Police Station in Kasar district of Assam under the leadership of Lakhikpur SDPO Anurag Sharma. The operation was carried out at Namdailing and Santipura areas along the Manipur border. The arrested leaders have been identified as Kabigai Rongmai and Raiflung Akar Rahul. Rongmai is the former publicity secretary of NACN-K, who presently holds a high rank in NACN-R. Rahul was arrested on the basis of confession of Rongmai. The duo was in the most wanted list of Guwahati-based NIA and are being presently interrogated at Jirigat Police Station, a report said. All Manipur Hills and Valley Individual Surrender Welfare Association today elected its new office bearer at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Speaking to media, association spokesperson Muhammad Abdul Latif urged the Manipur Chief Minister to take steps for recruiting surrender militants in security forces as promised earlier. He also warned of a series of agitations from 26th of this month if the government fails to keep its word by 25th of this month.
Hingdabadi yadabanina private company gumba amada thabak suge haijaragasu tasenga cylinder ni highway hekangpaga thabak sugo phangdaba asugumba kaya sina yung kai panduna leiriba singna nupi angangi chana thaknaba amadi angang apikpa sing leg laisu tamhanbada tamhannaba honabada wariba sigi Kanbiraga government asina tawgani haina lauthokpikraba sing ado thabak oina athu matamda onthokpiraknaba ekoi request tawjabani.
The Manipur Students Union MSF Kumbi and Wangu branch organized a one-day comprehensive guidance and career development program on the theme Productive Youths in Future at JM Hall Kumbi today. During the program, social scientist Dr. Danavi Laishram said students should nurture inquisitive minds and throw a lot of questions for the betterment of their future. He further said youngsters should respect their parents and imbibe their valuable knowledge and advice. President of AMSU Bisnupur District Committee KH Madhumangol also attended the program. Altogether, 1,000 students from various schools in Kumbi, teachers and local residents also participated in the program.
Mina mana for la na dikai to wang na tise perse lupa tunai wang awa abu je se khang na de ko ji ne ba self research self study wang ko ko te la ko ji ti ba je ba ko tu ba ka na mai ne a bu ngai ding ang re adu ba kai no khang de kai no hang de to wang na se ka sa to anu lo ko je wang na ba to ko tunai je lai ka de
Affected Landowners Association against the construction of mega food park at 44 YTV Kuno, local has reiterated its stand opposing the Manipur government move to set up a mega food park and a jewelry park at YTV local. In a press release, the association further said that residents of Langthabal Kuno, Kuijam village, Sora and Laiching Mino living around YTV local will oppose tooth and nail if the state government goes ahead with its plan. It may be recalled that people of these four villages had earlier staged different forms of agitation against the plan. President of All Jiribam Road Transport Drivers Union AJRTDU has condemned the Highway Truck Owners Welfare Organization HTOWA and others for illegally trying to get vehicle registration by using the name of Transport and Drivers Council yesterday. Union Secretary M. Tomba Babu Singh told a press meet held at the conference hall of Jiri News Network that he urged the concerned authority to look into the matter and give befitting penalty to every individual who are involved. Talking to media, General Secretary of AJRTDU L. Maniton Singh also condemned on the matter and applauded the Manipur police team for naming the wrongdoers. Desam said that the school boarding hostel in the state, either run by the government or private, have become crime hub. Speaking to media, Secretary General of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, Sital Oinam, urged the government to formulate a policy to regulate mushrooming of such boarding hostels.
Hangibono haibado Desam amadi aimsna masi yengshanba horakani hangibo boarding amadi hostel sing asigi koigi physically amadi mentally oina shape tona hangibra ma hangibo hostel sing asigi building asi karma makhangi building ori bage building aduda lairiba hostel da lairiba angang sing asigi thangnaba ising asi aphaba ising piribra toilet matik chana leibra magi tumpham ka karma mong ta semaga lairi haibna singba aikoi kupsana senabaga loinana Chakpanna Khajanwa Kamada, Koikana Kangandana, boarding in a salary, Bagi Momoto Sisu, Yangsagani, Matamatam Guina, boarding the Ladiba, Myrushing a Sigi, Mama passing da, boarding the Ladiba, Myrushing a Sigi, report Tabra, Mama passing of Nanbra, Kanana Senari, Kanana Yangchali, Havna Singbadu, the Samamadi Amsna, Atu Matamda, Madu Yangchalaga, Matuki, Lana Salaramba, Hosen of the boarding sing at Timataka, Excelova, Hoxeragani Haituna, Mayamda, Amukana, Apintogeri.
Meanwhile, Vice President of Apunbar Iripak Mahairoi Sinpang aims Saikom Premchand Express grab concern over the frequent crime taking place in boarding hostel. Desam and AIMS urged the government to look into the matter concerning death of a minor girl at Standard Robot School, Kanchipur yesterday.
Standard Robot Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur da class 7 da tamlibi Mahairoi ama Laikidaba si Desam di aims na yamna haksina logo loina na lenga na sigi chap saba justice asi utopi da ni haina koina appeal tawjari loina na asigumba thodok sing asi matung da thok tanabagi damakta Desam di aims na khusam na duna hostel amadi boarding na singbasingi mathakta akanba midyeng changlagani.
The third edition of Singcha Uyawon Festival 2019 will begin tomorrow at Singcha village of Kamjom district. The festival is held annually since 27, organized by Singcha Katam Naulung Singcha Student Union. Many exciting events including a live musical concert is among the main highlights of the festival, which will continue till July 22. And now let's take another break up. Coming up, Assam still reels under flood. 53 lakh people.
Manipur University the affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langsing Achoba Imphal West ki admission Tauzari course sing adudi VSc Agriculture, VSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Nupa amasung nupi ki hostel gi khudong chaba leijari akaknaba seat kharatani akupa marol gi damak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Welcome back. The floods continue to wreak havoc in the state of Assam by affecting over 53 lakh people along with livestock. As per the latest report, a total of 4,128 villages in 103 revenue circles of 28 districts of Assam have been affected in the flood. Presently, 689 relief teams are operational across the state. Rising flood water levels in the state pose a threat to the wild animals in Kaziranga, which has been entirely underwater owing to incessant rains in the region. Exhausted rhinos are found resting on patches of land at the Kaziranga National Park in the wake of devastating floods in the Assam. Meanwhile, panic gripped the residents of Harmati, located in Kaziranga, as a Royal Bengal tiger entered a house and was seen relaxing on the bed of the resident. The tiger had strayed from the nearby Kaziranga National Park, which is submerged under flood waters. The tiger entered the house of Rafikul at around 7 a.m. and was found relaxing on his bed. Almost 95% of Kaziranga National Park is submerged due to the ongoing floods in Assam, and animals residing in the park are taking shelter in the highlands within the park, and many are migrating to the southern highlands of Karbi Anglong by crossing National Highway 37. Under the supervision of ABBP Northeast Public Relations in charge, Manipur State Organizing Secretary Mahesh Bhagavat, a donation drive was conducted for the Assam flood victims in Imphal today. Executive Director NIELIT Imphal, Prameshwar Singh, along with the staffs and students of the institute, donated money for Assam flood victims. Manipur police personnel have also contributed to Assam Flood Relief Fund. The donation drive in the Manipur capital was jointly organized by ABBP Manipur and ABBP Assam. Sahitya Academy and Naharul Sahitya Premi Samiti jointly organized a tribal poet meet and Yuva Sahiti at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. On the occasion, Maithalung, a Tangkhul poetry book written by Ayung Rai Khan, was published. Convener of Sahitya Academy Advisory Board and Kiran Kumar Singh said that there is a need to form an indigenous literature platform for all.
Yuva Sahitya program Naral Sahitya Commission time Yuva Sahitya anyway, kasi Ayung Rai Khan, isi Ayung Rai Khan, handigi hum mak si mai na sunje bada, handigi hum khara contemporary.
President of Naharul Sahitya Premi Samiti, L. Upendra Sharma, said that Manipur is rich in art and culture. He expressed happiness to Sahitya Academy for its immense contribution in the field of literature. Assam and other northeastern states experienced a mild tremor today afternoon. A mild tremor was felt in different places in Assam and other northeastern states at around 2:51 p.m. The magnitude of the earthquake was 5.5 on the Richter scale. The epicenter of the earthquake was located in Bomdila, Arunachal Pradesh. So far, there was no report of any damage from anywhere in the northeast, according to a report. A 10-member Indian team led by ex-Indian boxer MC Mary Kom left for Labuan Bajo, Indonesia to participate in the 23rd President Cup, which will be held from July 22 to 28. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Mercury soars to almost 37 degrees Celsius at Imphal. Visa facility likely from August 5th. Rebel MLA still hopeful of leadership change. The People's Chronicle. SC agrees to reconstitute bands. ROP rules with 2.57 fitment factor published. MPCC stages sit-in against steep price rise. CM bets for promoting horticulture sector to spur development. Imphal Free Press. SC agrees to reconstitute bands for hearing cases on Manipur extrajudicial killings by army. Student found dead in boarding room under mysterious circumstances. SUK shuts down Standard Robert boarding indefinitely. The Morning Bell. SC agrees to reconstitute bands for hearing cases of Manipur extrajudicial killings by army. Gaikhangam lashes out to BJP government over power tussle, ignoring public rules. Ex-MLA threatens PIL over missing of 10-month NFSA rice allocation for Ketrigao. Minister Biswajit launches toll number to air grievance for R&D schemes. Manipur Mail. CM inaugurates new building of Horticulture Department. Horticulture sector key to state's economic prosperity, says CM. Biswajit launches toll-free number 1800-345-3872 to air grievance for RD and PR schemes.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Lamjingba Group's eco-housing scheme provides houses at affordable price. Manipur girl rescued from Delhi brought back. And tribal body calls 24-hour highway shutdown from July 23. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.